Hey there, welcome to Documint. We're so glad you're here. In this video, we'll show you how to connect your Airtable account in just a few simple steps. To kick things off, if you have your template open, go ahead and click on Connect Airtable under the Sources section in your template. Then, just select Sign In with Airtable. Easy peasy. After that, you'll need to grant some permissions. You can choose to share access to all your current and future bases, or just pick the specific base you'd like to share. If you're not on a template, no worries. Just head over to your account settings, then choose Integrations and find Airtable. In the OAuth account section, click on Add Account and just follow the same steps to grant permissions. Awesome job! You're all set to start mapping Airtable fields onto your templates and previewing them with real data from your base. Have fun!